Show you what is inside. It's not easy to open, but okay. So it has the kit for the installation. Amazing. It has everything here. Oh yeah. The whole kit for the installation. This is heavy. Whoa. Okay, looking for a way to keep grass and stone areas perfectly separated? This premium galvanized steel edging is the solution. It's made from 1.1mm thick galvanized steel with an eco-friendly powder coating, ensuring durability and a long lifespan. Each box includes 6 pieces, giving you a total of 20 feet, so you can create straight lines, waves, or even hard shapes to match your style. And for soft ground, just hammer it in. For harder soils, soak the area or use a trenching shovel to prepare it. So yeah, here it is. Includes all of this. And also the kit to manage all the equipment. So this is an area of my house that I don't like. You see, it looks horrible, and I'm gonna put like rocks here, white rocks. It's gonna look amazing, and I need it. I really need it. This. I'll show you the installation process. Protecting myself, of course. It's heavy. Like really heavy. Look. We're done.